it's my time. Just come out of the microwave. Let's see how we get on. A formidable broth. Anyway, I digress. Here we go. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, I forgot what I was ringing up to tell you about now. I don't know. Can't remember. No, to be fair, it's pretty warm. Yeah. Gave one to Agent Rayball today. That sounds wrong. A curry. Hiccup number one, please. Gave him a curry today, so we'll see if he gets round to doing it. So I'm at Brampton Hut, and no voucher, obviously. So I thought, aha, I know what to do. But here we are. Yeah. Outside edge is the only precaution I've taken before undertaking the challenge, just in case. You've got to go and splatter the grass, so to speak. So, yeah. It's all right. It's all right. I'm a man that can do Vindaloo, and now, yeah, we're having a quick go at this one. There is no pause button where I swap the curry for a pot noodle or anything like that. It will be just straightforward food. If you wonder where the bottle of water is, that's holding the phone in the right way up in the precise filming position, so that sort of fucked that up a bit. I thought I wouldn't bother with rice, so I'll just, get it down, and all that. Yeah, good win for United this afternoon, Mark. I believe slightly against the run of play from what I heard on the radio. But there you go. Win's a win, and all that. What the fuck is that I'm eating there? I've got a piece of paper in mine, or some wrapper or something, Tim. I don't know what that is. Interesting. Got some, like, piece of papery thing in mine. Never mind. Probably a bit of fingernail or something. Yeah. Yeah. To be fair, it's warmer than I thought it was going to be. But at the same time, it's not as warm as I was fearing it would be. So, yeah, all is well. But I suppose tomorrow will be the true reading of how hot it was or wasn't. If things do get out of hand, I do have the trusty Asda chicken and bacon pasta salad to quell the fire. That's reserved backup for tea. The old phaal salad, so to speak. So, yeah. I don't know if someone had all this sauce, but he had rice, I suppose, so I dare say that he did indeed have most of it. What the fuck is that? This really could be somebody's foreskin or fingernail, that is. Yeah, that's it. So we're all done, apart from the worm, the chili worm, which with my wooden spoon maybe wasn't the right fucking weapon. But we'll see how we get on with it. Chewy. Like chewy backer. Got a nose run. Fair play. Didn't want me dripping snot onto the phaal. Anyway, that effectively is the last strand. Oh, fucking hell, it's off. Is the last strand of the chili. And that, gentlemen, is that. Now I'm going to go outside and cry. Not. Anyway, Stephen Raybould, all yours. Good luck, enjoy.